Why do cyclones form? The science behind powerful storms detailed explanation. Cyclones are some of the most destructive natural forces on Earth, but have you ever wondered why do they even form? Today, let's break down the science behind cyclone formation in the simplest and most fascinating way. It all starts with warm ocean water. Cyclones love warm water. They can only form when the ocean surface temperature is at least 26.5 degrees or more. When the water heats up, it releases huge amounts of water vapor. This vapor rises up into the atmosphere because warm air is lighter. Rising air creates a low-pressure engine. As warm, moist air rises, it leaves behind a sort of vacuum, a low-pressure area on the ocean surface. Nature hates empty spaces. So air from the surroundings rushes in to fill this low-pressure zone. But as more and more warm air rises, the low pressure becomes stronger, like a super powerful vacuum. The Earth's rotation adds the twist. Here comes the magic. Because Earth rotates, this rushing air does not move straight. It starts to curve and spin, creating a rotating system of winds. This effect is called the Coriolis force, and without it, cyclones cannot form. A tower of clouds begins to build. The rising warm air cools down high in the sky, condenses, and forms giant clouds. These clouds grow taller and taller, forming a massive structure called a thunderstorm cluster. When many such clusters rotate together, they become the early stage of a cyclone. The cyclone strengthens. As long as the ocean keeps providing warm water, the cyclone becomes stronger. More heat, more vapor, more rising air, more rotation, more power. The center becomes extremely low pressure, forming the eye of the cyclone, which is calm and clear. Around it, the eye wall forms, the deadliest part with the strongest winds. Why cyclones die? Cyclones weaken when they move over land, enter cold water, lose the warm ocean fuel. Without heat, the engine shuts down. Conclusion. So, the next time you hear about a cyclone, remember, it's a powerful machine built from sunlight, ocean heat, wind, and the Earth's rotation. Nature's engineering is truly mind-blowing. Subscribe this channel for supporting us to create more interesting videos.